Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Africa Energy Summit highlights. At the Africa Energy Summit held in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania on January 27-28, 2025, 12 African nations unveiled their national energy compacts. These compacts present targeted strategies to address energy access deficits and promote clean energy solutions. The summit was organized under the banner of Mission 300, an initiative led by the World Bank Group and the African Development Bank. Mission 300 aims to provide electricity to 300 million people across sub-Saharan Africa by 2030. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new batch for the IASGS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501-87501. Key objectives of National Energy Compacts. The National Energy Compacts aim to achieve universal energy access by 2030 with a primary focus on expanding electricity connectivity. A key objective is to reduce reliance on traditional biomass for cooking by promoting clean and sustainable cooking solutions. Policy measures will be implemented to address challenges such as increasing renewable energy adoption and upgrading energy infrastructure. Strengthening financing mechanisms is essential to support energy projects and attract private sector investments. Significance of clean cooking solutions. Currently, 800 million Africans rely on traditional biomass for cooking and heating, leading to severe health risk and environmental degradation. Household air pollution from cooking smoke is linked to over 7 lakh premature deaths annually across the continent. Nigeria has pledged a 25% annual increase in clean cooking solutions to achieve universal access by 2030, aiming to benefit 227 million people. Tanzania announced goals to ensure 80% of its population has access to clean cooking solutions by 2034. Now it's time for the practice question. Which country has pledged a 25% annual increase in clean cooking solutions to achieve universal access by 2030? Tanzania, Nigeria, Kenya or Ghana? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.